Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 28 Vantage, brand new model this year. It's a fantastic boat. It's powered by the Mercury twin 250s. It's the light blue color with the light blue underneath on the hardtop. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 28 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got a nice fold-down seat, so it's very comfortable when you're going for a ride, going to sunset, that type of thing. Folds right up, so if you're fishing, it becomes a really nice, comfortable leaning post. You've got a live well conveniently located right here at the back of the boat, so a nice addition to the new 28 Vantage with the live well. Used to be under the seat, and now we have the dive door. So you can do multiple things here. It's very safe getting on and off the boat from a floating dock. It's one level, so easy on, easy off, extremely safe. It's got a ladder that goes down. It's safe getting into the boat from the water. You've got a railing that you can grab, so it's a nice, sturdy, safe way to get on the boat. We've got the automatic shore shade, which completely covers the back seat, so it's you want shade, you got plenty of shade in the back. Then over here we've got a full, this is a new option. So it's basically a cooler. You can ice this down and it's self-draining, so just a little extra feature that they've added on the new 28. We've got a sink with a refrigerator. The refrigerator actually opens up and it's got a little small a freezer in it. You can put about a half of a 10-pound bag of ice in there, good for drinks, that type of thing. And then on this side, the seat, it's forward facing right now, but if you want to lounge, you can lounge like this, or you can bring it all the way down and lounge all the way this way, and then I can bring this up and I can lounge facing forward. So this is an incredible seat, does everything. So we move to the helm. We've got the large Marine touchscreen, so really good size chart plotter on the boat. And then you've got the digital throttle and shift, so nice clean dash with a VHF radio on it. The head, the head is a nice size with vacuum flush in there. You got the faux teak down on the bottom, which gives you a nice look down below. And then we have storage underneath here. So when I open this up, storage. You can put everything in. It's dry in there as well. Your little trash receptacle, and I can also lift this back up, and now it's really big access, so you can put good sized things in here also. And then very deep, comfortable seating here. And then up at the bow, we've got the windlass recessed in there, so it's nice and safe. And you can also install a beach boarding ladder if you want to. So this boat does everything very, very well. So if you'd like to see it or have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.